What's up, guys? I'm Taylor Carruthers with Next Level Epoxy. We're here at Southwest Kia today in Frisco. We're going to epoxy their service department. Let's go take a look. So this is their 16,600 square foot service department. We're going to be installing our Paramount Coatings epoxy system. It's going to start with our PCU 100, and then we're going to go to our PCU 200, and then we're going to finish off with a PCU 300. It's our tinted top coat. So all three layers will have the same color. It'll take us about 4.5 to 5 days to do this job, and it'll have a lifetime floor. So right now what we're doing is we're mixing our PCU 100. This is our primer coat. Once we get this primer laid down, we'll let it cure overnight, and then we will wake up tomorrow morning and install the second layer of it, which is our PCU 200. And then the day after that, we can do our top coat and we are done. All right, guys, it's base coat day. We stayed here till about 2:30 last night getting this primer done. The guys are out there right now laying down what we call our PCU 200. So once we get this base coat laid down, then we'll lay down our PCU 300, which is our top coat. That's tomorrow. And as soon as we've done that, we are finished with this 16,600 square foot service department for Southwest Kia. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Day 4. Today we installed our polyurethane PCU 300 tinted top coat. When I say tinted top coat, it's the same color as our primer and as our base coat. We wanted all three layers of our epoxy to be the same color, so if somebody were to drop something heavy, maybe the floor got a little bit damaged, it's going to go to the different layer of the same color. It's not going to go straight to the concrete. So today we've spent about 6 or 7 hours laying this stuff down. We've had 4 guys. We really knocked it out of the park on this one. The floor looks amazing. The superintendent's really happy with the job. I'm looking forward to a lot more in the future, and hopefully we can take you guys along for the ride. If you guys need anything, I'm Taylor with Next Level Epoxy, and you know where to reach me.